to my YouTube channel Lecture Notes. I'm Swati Naik. Today we are going to learn the multimedia system. This is the very first lecture of a multimedia system. We are starting from the first unit, that is Introduction to the Multimedia System. The introduction of multimedia system includes the meaning of multimedia. Do you know the meaning of the word multimedia? If we divide this word in two parts, we can easily understand what is the meaning of a multimedia and why we are learning this subject in engineering. The first part is multi. Multi means many, that is more than one or two. Many things includes in system, and media means medium. Medium is the plural of media. Multimedia means the multi-intermediates between the source and the sink of information, or simply can be termed as multiple means by which information is shared or transmitted. Next, we are going to learn the definition of a multimedia system. A combination of two or more categories of information having different transport signal characteristics. Typically, one of the medium is continuous medium while the other is discrete. Here we are starting from objects and elements of a multimedia system. There are many objects of a multimedia system, but in our syllabus we are going to learn few of them. The first is document images. What is the meaning of document images? Document images used for storing business documents that must be retained for a long period of time and can be accessed by a large number of people. Providing multimedia access. Remove the need for making several copies for storage and distribute high resolution images. Require very efficient compression and decompression techniques. Then next, that is second point, is photographic images. Photographic images used for identification and security reasons. Maintaining employee records for instant identification and many others. Then third object is voice command. Voice command based on the command operating system, used for hand-free computer operation and spoken command. Fourth is audio messages. Audio message means voicemail can be sent as attachment and used for email. Voice command we can send by WhatsApp, email or any form. Then the fourth is audio messages. Audio message which is similar to the voice command. Voicemail can be sent as a attachment and email. Fifth is video messages. Similar to the audio messages, video messages can also be attached to the mails. Then sixth is full motion video. Full motion video or CD-ROM technology has provided the basis for the development of full motion video. Then seventh is holographic images. Holographic images extends the concept of virtual reality by allowing users to get the inside inside part of the image. View operation from inside. The next is 8, which is text. It is very important part in multimedia system. Text is the most common multimedia element. Text expresses the information that developer is typing to get across their viewers. Even though picture grabs the viewer's attraction, text is a good idea to include as well, just in case the picture does not load. Simplest of the data type require least amount of storage. Also used for searching and sorting the database. Used for description and definition, and used for verifying of data attributes. For example, when web pages include image elements, they can also include a short amount of text for the user to include as an alternative in case the digital image items is not available. The ninth is images. An image catches the viewer's attraction much more quickly than just plain text. Interactive elements such as buttons often use a custom image created by the designer and the developers involved in an application. Digital image files use a variety of formats and the file extensions. Among the most common are JPEG and PNG. Both of these often appear on websites as the format allows developers to minimize on the file size while maximizing on the picture quality. Graphic design software programs such as Photoshop and Paint allow developers to create a complex visual effect with a digital image. The 10th object is audio. Audio files and streams play a major role in some multimedia systems. Audio files appear as a part of application content and also to aid interaction. Where they appear within a web application and site, audio files sometimes need to be developed using plug in a media player. Audio formats include WMA, wave, and real audio. When developers include audio within a website, they will generally use a complex format to minimize the download time. Audio consists of music, speech, voice, command, telephone conversion, and so on. Audio objects have a time dimension associated with them. That is, audio objects store length of the sound clip. The last is video. Video is the last application which we are going to study. Digital video appears to many multimedia applications, particularly on the web as with audio website can stream digital video to increase the speed and availability of playback. Common digital video formats include Flash, AVI, WMV, and QuickTime. Most digital video require user of browser plug in to play within a web page. But in many cases, the user browser will already have the required resource installed. Various algorithms are used for compression and decompression of video. From processing perceptive videos presented to the user should be smooth and without breaks. Now we are going to learn what are the applications of a multimedia system. There are many applications of a multimedia system. Today's slide we are using WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and many other things. Google is the wide source of information. The multimedia system plays an important role. Before that, we see the objects of a multimedia system. By using these objects, we can improve the quality of our web page or any video, audio, anything. So now we are going to learn step by step what are the applications of a multimedia system. The first is electronic messaging. Now the electronic messaging is a common thing for everyone. We are using WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email, Gmail, or many other applications for conversation or sending messages. The sending audio and video as an attachment via email, WhatsApp, and any other. Downloading the audio and videos. Sending a simple text data through a mail, WhatsApp, or any other media. It also provides store and forward message facility. We can store, forward any message by using this electronic application. Next is image enhancing. Image enhancing means what? We are improving the quality of our image. For that, on Google, we get many applications. By using that application, we can improve quality of our picture. Highlighting details of image by increasing contrast, making picture darker and increasing grayscale level of a pixel. Rotating image in real time. Adjusting RGB to get image with the proper color. The RGB means what? RGB is red, green, blue. There are many applications are now available to enhance the quality of image. The next is document images. Today we are reading a newspaper as a hard copy, paper format. But by using internet, we can online read any newspaper, which is the very useful method. We can save paper and as well as print also. Document imaging, storing, retrieving and manipulating large volume of data, that is document. Complex documents can be sent in electronic form rather than on paper. Document image system use workflow method. Document image is a very essential for today because every time using a newspaper or paper form which wastage of paper. So if we learn how to use laptop or mobile, we can make a document and we can send it to any person. The next is multimedia in education field. Today what we are doing, we are learning from home. Before this COVID-19 situation, we are going to school, college for lectures to getting knowledge. But due to study from home. Teachers are going to take online lectures. As like me, we can't stop our education because we have to get knowledge. So multimedia in education field is very essential today. Multimedia is used to instruct as a master because nowadays multimedia series are used instead of textbooks. We are learn on YouTube. Here we are going to get many videos of any content. We have to just type the whatever we have want information we can get easily. Knowledge can be easily obtained by using a multimedia CD in a computer because the multimedia CD includes text, picture, sound, and film, which helps the student to understand more easily and clearly than the textbook. For the use of multimedia as an education helps the PC contain a high quality display. This all has promoted the development of a wide range of computer-based training. Now, the next is multimedia in entertainment. Nowadays, the live internet play-to-play gaming with a multiple players has become popular. You are aware that you are going to play online games, which is a part of entertainment, and they are using a multimedia application. Actually, the first application of a multimedia system was in the field of entertainment, and that too in a video game industry. The integrated audio and video effects make a various type of games more interactive. Generally, most of the video games need joystick play. Multimedia is mostly used in games. Text, audio, image, and animations are mostly used in computer games. The use of multimedia in games game medium possible to make involved and interactive games. It is also used in movie for entertainment, especially to develop a special effect in movies and animation. Multimedia applications that follow allows user to attractively called as attractive multimedia. Sixth application is multimedia in advertising. Multimedia technology is commonly used in advertisement to promote the business and product. Multimedia is used for preparing advertisement. Then seventh is multimedia in business. The business application of multimedia includes product demo. Multimedia is used in business for training employees using professional sales, education customers, educating the customers, and many other things. It helps for the promoting business and new products. On the excellent application is voice and live conference. Due to multimedia, it is possible of live conference, which makes more attractive. The next application is science and technology. Multimedia had a wide application in the field of science and technology. Multimedia system is capable of transforming audio and clips in addition to the regular text. It is even capable of sending multimedia document. All the same time, the multimedia also helps in live, which is a live interaction through audio messages, and it is only possible with multimedia system. It reduces the time and cost and can be arranged at any moment, even in emergency case. It is enough for communication and meeting. Now we are going to learn online. That is one of the ways. At the same time, multimedia is enough useful service based on images. Similarly, it is useful for surgeries as they can use images created from imaging sets scan of human body to picture complicated procedures such as brain removal and reconstructive surgery. The plain medium and the plan can be made in a better way to reduce the cost and complication. The next application is multimedia in software. Nowadays, there are many software engineers. They are use multimedia applications for develop their software. Software without multimedia is incomplete. So, software engineer may use a multimedia in a computer from entertainment to design a digital game. It can be used as a learning process. These multimedia softwares are created by professionals and software engineers. The last application is multimedia on the web, offering various online facilities like TV, pre-recorded videos, photos, animations, plug-in and media players are software programs that allow us to experience a multimedia on the web. Plug-in is a software program that works with a web browser to display multimedia. When web browser encounters a multimedia file, it hands off the data to the plug-in to play or display the file. Multimedia players are also software programs that can play audio and video files both on and off on the web. Multimedia makes any object effective, attractive, and well acceptable. MySpace, LinkedIn, Google, in all platforms, multimedia components play essential part. Many multimedia applications use for advertisement as a multimedia presentation. Electronic newspaper is one of them. World Wide Web is also use multimedia, interactive movies, games, and all. So today we are learn about applications of multimedia and objects and elements of a multimedia system. So we are going to stop here. Thank you.